Stop and look at this. Half of every seller on Etsy makes less than 600 bucks a month. The top 1%, they're pulling in 50,000. Same platform, same products. The difference isn't talent. It's not better designs, it's branding. Hey, what's going on? My name is RJ Martinez. This right here is a gap nobody in POD is talking about. Everybody's chasing better designs, better fonts, better niches, but the sellers actually scaling on Etsy and Amazon or their own website, they are not winning on design. They're winning because they built a brand around their designs. And listen, this is backed by actual research. There is this study, a company called Martinez did it. They studied over 400 businesses. What did they find? Brands that look the same across everything they post make up to 20% more revenue. 23% same products, same niche, just better branding. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that. I'm using a tool called Lovart. It's an AI design agent, and I'm building a full POD brand around one of my own designs, live from scratch. So let's get into it. So this is the design we are working with. Clean, sells okay, nothing crazy. The niche is going to be vintage outdoor adventure apparel. That's the theme that I'm going for. And then the customer are going to be targeting men 30 to 55 who like to hike, camp, and drive like trucks or SUVs. They buy gear that reflects their lifestyle, not just function. So think of like someone that works all week and then enjoys going out on the weekend to be, you know, that weekend warrior. The brand that I'm going for is more of like a rugged, retro, warm style. Okay, so I want you to understand that as we're looking through this, like when you're creating your own concept, you want to think about this too on your end. Let's go ahead and see what Lovart does with this right here. And real quick, before we start, this is Lovart's Infinity Canvas. It's different from what you're used to. Ideogram, ChatGPT, Midjourney, those are tools that make one image at a time. Lovart, everything we build today lives on this one workspace. Brand kit, mockup, social media posts, ads, all of it. Together, that's the whole point of this tool. All right, so here's the prompt I'm gonna type in. Okay, now, but I'm gonna leave it for you so you can actually fill in the space yourself, like, you know, so build me a branded kit for a whatever blank niche is, apparel brand, whatever vibe, blank vibe, color palette, typography, logo variations. Put it all on the canvas. Now you fill that in on your end as best as possible. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter and we wait. Okay, look at this, 3 logos, full color palette, typography, all in one canvas. All matching. Now check this out. A freelance designer charges between $500 to like $1,000 for exactly this. I just got it in 3 minutes, which is crazy, right? Now I'm going to show you something wild. I'm just clicking right on the word mark inside the logo. No masking, no selecting layers, just clicking on the text. And I'm going to change it into the actual brand name. That's it. Click, type, done. This feature is called Touch Edit. This is one I'm honestly going to keep using after this video, because if you've ever tried to edit an AI generated logo in Photoshop, you already know it's a nightmare. Lovart just figured it out. Okay, next up, listing photos. And I'm talking real listing photos, not the same printified mockup that every other POD seller on Etsy is using. I'm telling Lovart to take this design, put it on a shirt, a hoodie, a tote, and a mug, and match the backgrounds to my brand. Boom. 4 products, 4 branded backgrounds, all on brand, all consistent. Real quick, before we move on, let me walk you through what's in the toolbar at the top, because this is where a lot of the power lives. Quick edits lets you make fast changes to whatever you've got selected on the canvas. Upscale boosts your image resolution, useful when you want to take an asset straight to print. Remove BG strips out of the background instantly. One click, done. Eraser cleans up anything you don't want in your design, like a stray element or a piece of a watermark. Edit text. I'm just clicking right on the word mark inside the logo. No masking, no selecting layers, just clicking on the text. That's it. Click, type, done. Multi-angle is a big one for POD. It generates the same product from different angles. Perfect for Etsy listings where you want multiple product shots. Move objects lets you grab any element on the canvas and reposition it without breaking the design. And if you click the 3-dot menu right here, you get even more post-editing options. Every one of these takes a second. That's the whole point. Lovart is built for speed. Now let me show you why this actually matters. You're gonna have a standard printify mockup looks like every other POD store out there. Lovart branded lifestyle, same vibe across all 4 products. Here's the data on this. Mama Lee tracks a real shop that just added lifestyle photos to their listing. Their conversion rate went from 1.8% up to 3.4%. Same listing, same product, just better photos. Almost double the conversion rate. That's exactly what we just did in 3 minutes. All right, but listings are just one piece. Most POD sellers don't have an Instagram at all. And the ones that do, it looks lifeless. They post the same generic photo shot. Wonder why nobody follows them. Watch this. I'm telling you, Lovart built me an Instagram post, a story, and an ad creative, all for this same brand, same canvases. Pan back with me. Look at this. This is everything we've built. Logo, mockups, social media posts, ads, all on one canvas, all driven by the same branded kit. This is the moment that hit me first. I use this tool because no other AI does. Ideogram makes one image. ChatGPT makes one image. Midjourney, Nano Banana, same deal. Lovart builds the whole campaign together. And that consistency right there, that's the 23% revenue lift we talked about at the start. Real quick for any designers in here. Everything exports to PSD. Pull it into Photoshop, keep editing, no problem. One more thing, and this one is wild. I'm taking this product shot and telling Lovart to turn it into a video ad. Look at that. 5 seconds, automated from a still image, 1 click. This is the kind of content brands pay videographers good money for. Done in like 10 seconds. Okay, so this is where we started. And this right here is where we ended up. 20 minutes ago, I had one design. Right now, I've got a logo system, 4 lifestyle mockups, 3 social assets, an ad creative, and a video, all connected, all on brand. And here's the lesson. I want you to actually sit with this for a second. A design is a product. A brand is a business. Most POD sellers are selling a product. The ones making real money, they are selling a brand. And just so you don't think I'm making this up, 65% of the Etsy shops make less than $100. And it's not because their designs are bad, it's because they've never built a brand around them. Real quick, my honest take on Lovart before I let you go. The brand kit and the multi-asset workflow actually is really good. Touch edit is a feature I'm going to keep coming back to. The image to video, it depends on the product. Test it with your stuff first. There's a free tier with daily credits, paid plans if you want more volume. Pricing right here on screen, so just check it out for yourself. Link in the description. It's my affiliate link. Full disclosure, you don't pay extra. It just helps the channel out. And if you want exact prompts I used in this video, just comment Lovart down below. I'll send them straight to you. If you got value out of this, hit that subscribe button. We are going deep on AI tools for POD all year. Catch me in the next one. And if you want to learn how to research low competition niche ideas, watch this video right here next. Peace out.